For the past few years, this simple visual moment has reached millions of people online. Millions of views, thousands of shares, and one simple question in comments. How is that possible? Hi, I'm Chaow, and this is Glasspears X. What starts as an impromptu idea becomes something I keep refining again and again through real performance and different versions. After more than a dozen iterations, I'm finally ready to share it with the Magic community. Here's the moment. I draw a mark on one side of the glass. You place your hand on another side. I call the mark, and it's now on your hand. No switches, no suspicious move. It's a clean visual transfer. It works on virtually any glass surface, so the moment can happen in real, everyday environments. The set includes the transfer mechanism and two marking design, a circle and a cross. Different performers bring into different settings. Street, close-up, social media, but the core stays the same. A mark that shouldn't moves, and it doesn't stop at glass. You can explore mark transfers with all glass and building full routines around the concept. It's simple in appearance, direct in effect, and designed to give you control over a very strong visual moment. I have shared this with friends and respect performers around the world. Seeing how they integrate it has been one of the most rewarding parts of this journey. If you appreciate clean visuals, if you like the moments that feel impossible but look natural, Glasspears X might be something you will enjoy exploring.